G Vrangche. So iniu an Kugu law Jeg Javianer Gavila is a fe or Gavila is fe hen 2021. So finally the Jura Shatana is a chat. Was it a quick week? Was it a short week? I don't know, but we're here anyway. End of the week is nice, so it's brilliant. Okay, so in you, Jane Himage, we will be doing Le Sawalya Arish, and it's Lahanuk Dachad Agus She 46. So Togi Amak were Le Sawalya. Okay, here we have in Le Sawalya and Cluiche Sacair, the soccer match. Okay, so this should be enjoyable for us all. And just Feach and Victor first. Where do we think they are? Cá Wilcheath. What stad? Cain stad. Yeah, looks like on Stadium Aviva. Stadium Aviva. Like where we went last year with 6th class. Unfortunately, we won't have a chance this year, but again in the future, I'm sure you'll be in Stad Aviva. Now again, I have highlighted the Brihra in orange, okay? And I've underlined any new words. And if we look down at the folklore, the glossary, we have all the new words as well. Okay, so if you just have a quick glance, Erna Brihra, Cain Amshire in a will on Bisa Shaw. What Amshire? What tense is it in? Yeah, an Amshire Katcha. And we can see again, even San Kedalt, that we've a lot of Brihra Navrilta. We've a lot of our 11 Brihra Navrilta. Anyway, the Cluiche an Tábhachtach Shul Jesarhan Shakacha Istad Aviva in Malioaclia. Now, an Tábhachtach. Go down here. What does an Tábhachtach mean? Very important. So, very important match is Stad Aviva in Malioaclia in Dublin. Vi era ag Emmerich inai na Polania. Can't sure. What country is Polania? So, have we anybody from Poland in our rang? I don't think so. Neil, last year I had a lot of. But Talan Dini as Polania I Griach in Crea. Okay. Hug Mayadi Gaji an Aviva me. So hug can mean give, but it can also mean bring. So his daddy brought him Gaji an Aviva. Vimer bish. Visketaminier. We should know our bish now because we had that this week. Vimer bish. Remember we had it yesterday in the Aberlum. Vi rangasher bish nor vishi degdul er terrace squella. They were excited when they were going on their school tour. Anyway, Lanamid Arai. So Canig daddy clor an Cluiche. Vi picture agus olis fina forna is an or schit an. Okay. So Canny Daddy Clor and Cluiche. What do you think Clor and Cluiche would be? It's not in the glossary. But remember yesterday we had Clor Ama for the squel. Well, Clor and Cluiche would be the program, the match program. Vi picture agus olis is information, fina forna about the teams is schit an. Vi an Cluiche. The an Cluiche, so an Cluiche means very good match. Egg Captain Nahairn, the Irish captain. Who would that be? Maybe Shane Duffy, Pager. Fuyera, finally, for she spos, he got space, for she spos, agus gnohig she cool gloche. Now, gnohig is a new word for me. I'll go down, and it means he scored. So, gnohig she, that's a nice verb, Snam Shikache. Cool gloche is a cool all-in. Beautiful goal. Cool gloche and fake on shot. Ooh, top bins, beautiful. Keeper had no chance. Hossi an Rachor an Cluiche a Cuaga Clug. Maybe I skipped a bit, did I? Maybe I jumped ahead. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So Hossi an Rachor an Cluiche a Cuaga Clug. Hossi, the ref started an Cluiche a Cuaga Clug. Tronona 4 Gwafer a Vian. 4 agus Gwafer, cold and windy. Vishe an Jacker. Hussithe Nahairn cool at all. An Jacker, very hard. Tussie Nahairn, the Irish forwards, so Shane Long and Aaron Connolly and the boys, Troy Parish, cool at all. Vishe an Jacker Hussithe Nahairn cool at all. Mar vi cooliha arda agus ladsre ag an Bolania. Cooliha, backs, defenders. Arda, tall agus ladsre, strong ag an Bolania. Okay, I know Lewandowski isn't a defender, he's an attacker, but he's tall and he's strong. Okay, Polish soccer players are quite tall and strong. Okay, and think about it. Are you a tussihe, no coolihe if you're a Gimrich Pella? I would be a tussihe, I'm a forward. Okay, tussihe is a forward, coolihe defender. Okay, and yeah, that's it. I think I skipped, I went the wrong order. This probably should have been the last one. Vian Cluiche, Captain Nahairn, Fuyera, Forshe Spos, agus gnóigh sé cool glóte. He scored a lovely goal. Go man, great goal, okay? Now, ceistena, cá rá an cluiche siúl. So, ceistéasca, cá rá an cluiche siúl, so our answer is going to be, start with V. V an cluiche siúl, where? Anamning na fórne a bhí ag immert. So you just need to name them, okay? V, who, agus who ag immert. Okay? Remember as well, guys, Éire is the country of Ireland, but if you're talking about Mná na hÉireann, women of Ireland, it becomes na hÉireann, okay? Léir Scáil na hÉireann, map of Ireland, okay? But Éire, just Ireland on its own is a country. But if you put another noun with it, like map, it becomes na hÉireann, but that's just a little thing. Cada ceannig daddy, what did daddy buy? So ceannig daddy, whatever. Cén sort tróna a bhí an. So what was the weather like? Cén sort tróna a bhí an. Bhí an tróna, whatever. Cé a gnóigh an cúl. Again, look for the breather. Look for the breather. What's the breather we have here? Yeah, it is. Let me get my pen. Cé a gnóigh an cúl. So our answer is going to start with gnóigh somebody an cúl. Okay, and they didn't name any players, but you can tell they said who it was. Gnóigh somebody an cúl. Is that correct, Clór, guys? So give that a shot. That shouldn't be too bad. Nice little scale. Scale ma. Agus Jane Famage. We will do Crinnew Zoom níos Janie a little later. Ag a dóiag a clog. 12 o'clock. Ag an known. At noon, we'll do our Zoom meeting and we'll go through that. We'll hear your answers in that. Is that correct, Clór? Gur mágaibh, guys. Gur mágaibh, slán.